How to choose good wheel spacer for Acura?
Acura is one of the most iconic hot hatches in the automotive world, renowned for its aggressive styling, track-ready performance, and precision handling.
When choosing wheel spacer for Acura, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality Acura wheel spacer must be made of good material. The advantage of choosing BONOSS Acura wheel spacers is that the hot anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevent rusting. A Hub-Centric Acura wheel spacer comes with a middle center ring, which is specially machined to fit your vehicle hub. Most modern car wheel hubs are the multi-layer, meaning a single layer hub-center rings may not fit perfectly. In this case, BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-center rings. The multi-layer design provides the beavers to fit the corresponding hub spaces. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and better load transition. As a reliable process hub-center wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. BONOSS wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. Compared with the aluminum alloy 6061-T6, the aluminum alloy 7075-T6 strength and toughness are also greatly enhanced. The strength of aluminum alloy 6061-T6 wheel spacers are totally strong enough for daily driving. Higher performance and strength bring customers a safer use experience.
If you are looking to transfer your
Acura
performance and appearance, BONOSS wheel spacers are an investment you won't regret.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Honda Type R wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.